One is reevaluate your streams and your content. What am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? Where am I posting my content? Is it unique? Do I stand out? Before we get started, I just want to ask that you please subscribe to the channel. It's free, and you can always change your mind after the fact. Alright, let's get into it. If you're thinking of becoming a Twitch affiliate, or streaming on Twitch in general, there are some milestones you need to achieve to get to that goal. Twitch has created a very simple system to get you on the path to streaming on their platform. Today, we're going to go through some of the basics. First up is your first stream. Now, this is a very simple step, but it can become a little complicated if you do it wrong. You're going to need stream gear, and I've talked about that in a previous episode, so I'll link that above. Next, you need a good title for your stream. You're going to want something that's eye-catching and engaging, but do not use clickbait. Create a title that describes what you're doing in a unique way. You're also going to need a simple overlay. Now, don't go over the top with this. It's very easy to get silly and complex with overlays. You don't want a million different things flashing on your screen. Visuals by Impulse is a good site to get some simple free overlays, as well as Fiverr in the future if you ever want good overlays created for you. The next step is building your community. Now, this is a pretty basic and simple step, but a lot of people have problems with it. The two things you need to do are reach 50 followers and 5 active chatters in your chat. In a previous video, we talked about posting content on other platforms. We also talked about being unique and engaging with other creators. If you do those 3 things, you're guaranteed to reach 50 followers the right way. And I cannot express this enough. Do not use follow before follow. I'll say it in a million YouTube videos if I have to. It will only hurt you in the long run. As for the 5 active chatters, this is kind of a silly milestone in my opinion. It's too early on to really expect people to have active chatters in their streams. So an easy and quick workaround for this, gather 5 friends, have them talk in one of your streams in Twitch chat. Simple, quick, and then it's out of the way. So now the hard part, actually hitting Twitch affiliate. There are 3 things you need to achieve to hit that Twitch affiliate status. They are streaming for 8 hours, streaming on 7 different days, and having an average of 3 viewers. Now, there's a common misconception about this step that you need to do it in a month, and at the end of the month, it resets. And that's not the case. This is a 30-day rolling average, so you're not losing all that information that you achieved this month. It kind of rolls into the next month. So streaming for 8 hours is pretty cut and dry, but in my opinion, 8 hours is too little. I suggest streaming more, and that you should probably shoot for 8 hours a week. This will give you plenty of content to promote on other platforms. The next thing they want you to do is stream on 7 different days. Now, there's 30 days in a month, so this is a pretty simple one. But there's 2 mistakes you can make. You could stream too much or too little. Don't just shoot for the minimum of 7 days. Shoot for 3 to 4 days a week. The other mistake is going too heavy into it. Do not stream every day. It can only burn you out, and it will hurt you. Shoot for 3 to 4 a week. You'll thank me later. Now, the hardest one. 3 average viewers. This is the one that most people have difficulty with. But for this one, there is a trick. I should really call it a tip and not a trick. But this is how you should achieve this. Now, if you're doing all the things that you've been taught to do from thousands of YouTube videos, and hopefully my YouTube videos, you're posting your content on other platforms, and people are starting to come and notice. But if you're streaming, and you do not have 3 people in your stream by the end of the first hour, stop. Turn the stream off. Try again tomorrow. One mistake that streamers do is they'll stream for the allotted time with no people in their viewer. Now, yes, you need, what we talked about earlier. You need 8 hours, you need 7 different days. But hitting those 2 is a lot easier than hitting at 3 average viewers. So if you're having trouble hitting those 3 average viewers, go watch the rest of my videos. They'll help you pull content and pull people from other platforms onto Twitch. So here we are. We've hit Twitch affiliate, or we're struggling. So here are the next steps. If you've hit Twitch affiliate, the next step is the path to partner. Your goal is to hit an average viewer mark of 75. Now, this is kind of Twitch's bare bones minimum to actually allowing you to apply, but this doesn't guarantee you anything. Twitch is looking for lasting and consistent communities. Just hitting Twitch's marks does not guarantee anything. They want to make sure you are a good creator. They're going to analyze you in depth. So build your community, grow as a creator, and partner will come eventually. And now, unfortunately, we have to get serious for a moment. If it's been a few months and you're still struggling to hit affiliate, there's two things you can do. One is reevaluate your streams and your content. What am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? Where am I posting my content? Is it unique? Do I stand out? Option number two, and this is going to be a tough one to talk about, give up. The streaming market is extremely oversaturated, to say the least. And I know this is tough to hear, and it's extremely tough to say, but streaming is not for everybody. If you struggle to hit affiliate milestones, it's gonna be almost impossible for you to get to partner. So go back and reevaluate what you're doing. You can take a break from Twitch and create content on other platforms. My suggestion, if you're struggling with Twitch, go to YouTube and focus on YouTube videos. If you could build a community on YouTube, it's much easier to pull them over to Twitch. But do not make the mistake of sitting here for years and struggling. I see it all the time, and it is painful to watch. Evaluate your content and your goals, and you'll be golden.